ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗಣೇಶ ಎಚ್.ಎಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ವಿದ್ಯಾವರ್ಧಕ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಮೈಸೂರು. ನಾವು ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾವರ್ಧಕ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಟಾನಮಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಫಿಲಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು VTU ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ. ಇಂದು ನಾವು TV9 ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ 2026 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ನವ ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಂತಹ ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾವರ್ಧಕ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು UG, PG ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ PhD ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯವಿದ್ದು, ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸಲ್ಲೂ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ತಮಗೆ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾವರ್ಧಕ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗನ್ನು ಬಂದು ನಾವು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
So hi friends, I am very privileged to welcome you to this exhibition organized by the TV9. We are a Southeast Asian group of educational institutions, and this is located at the KR Puram, very near to the eastern part of the area. And we are a group of 25 years old. Now this year we have been celebrating the silver jubilee with all the required pampers and all. We have 10 groups of institutions with us, and we have almost every courses right from engineering, law, education, nursing, degree, UG and PG. One of the special effects and then interest of our area is that so we are autonomous. Now all the UG and PG courses are now became autonomous, and we are admitting the students. There has been lot of response from the nearby areas for joining in this college, and we have 9 branches in the engineering, and almost all the branches are going on so well. In addition, we have the law, we have a nursing, and all of them going with 100% of the admissions. And also we are very good at the placement, giving placements to also the students with a higher packages. Very last year that we had a package of 9 lakh for the student, and we are also heading for anything above packages, anything above 10 lakhs. For that we have been making special arrangements of conducting the training. So special placement training by engaging all the reputed companies in that area, and campus placement is one of the special attractions with our group, so students can join. So in our group for the engineering, UG and PG, and particularly we have new courses like BCA and also BSc 4 and 6 science and BSc clinical nutrition and dietetics. And in addition we have special college for BHM, so our hotel management and catering technology is a 4-year course, and we have all the labs and the equipment that is required for that. And we have tied up all the prestigious hotels in and around the Bangalore city. So that way I think I welcome the students and also the parents to get convinced and join in our group. Okay. Professor K. Vienna Rao.
Good morning all. We are from Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan. Myself Madhushri, Assistant Professor working from Civil Engineering Department. With me we have the colleagues Professor Shamana and Professor Srinidhi. We are from Civil Engineering Department. Malnad College of Engineering is accredited with NAC and NBA, which is also approved by AICTE. We are auspicious of Malnad Technical Education Society, MTS. We have 60 plus years of legacy with proficient faculties and renowned alumni. We have 10 UG programs, and we have 5 PG programs, which is also supported by PhD by research. We have our top recruiters, which are like Toyota, TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Ultratech Cement, CMTI, RB Structures, Durga Constructions, etc. We are also have very supportive student clubs, active clubs, which are supported by Lions Club, which is called Leo. We have Rotary Club. We have very student chapters, IUCEE, Science Club, Literary Club, and various others. We are also very active alumni interactions, who are very supportive to our students in terms of conducting the research and everything. the TV9 summit which is happening here. There are a lot of inquiries which have inquired for various B programs. For the CET code, for aided, CET code is E024, unaided is E047, Comet K, it is E079. Thank you. Madhushri C, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering.
My name is Sanjeev and I represent Sir M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology. So under aegis of Krishnadeva Raya Educational Trust. So we have 3 programs here. Sir M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology. So 13 UG program we have. PhD program we have, MBA, MCA program we have. So here we connected with many students, provided information about KSET, Comet K, management quota, how they can connect, how they can build future. So for career prospect, we spoke a lot to the students and parents. We have Krishnadeva Raya College of Dental Science. So here we have BDS and MDS, and we have MBA School of Architecture, B Design, B Plan, and B Arc we have. So B Plan and M Plan also 5 years course we have. So happy to be a part of this TV9 prestigious education fair. Best wishes to organizer, and we connected with many students. Best wishes all the students. Choose right career. Thank you. Jai Hind.